Good afternoon, my dear students and my viewers. Today I am going to start differentiation for class 11. Chapter name is differentiation for class 11. Okay. Differentiation, suppose let us consider let y is a function of f of x. Y is a function of x means x is independent variable, x is independent variable and y dependent variable. Okay, dependent variable. This is the basic concept that y is equal to f of x. Any function written in terms of x, suppose y is equal to in terms of written, then derivative of y with respect to x written as dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x written as dy by dx, which is nothing but written as like this, f dash x, or it can be written as y1. In different ways they are writing, and this is written as dy by dx means limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This is the principle which is called first principle for finding derivative of a given function at a given point. Okay, this rule is called derivative by first principle. By first principle. Okay. Let us take one question. Suppose y equal to x square given, suppose, and you have to find out if y equal to x square, then dy by dx will be how much, that you have to find out. As for the previous formula, dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x is written as limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. This is the formula required for first principle. Now, limit delta x tends to 0, it is a small increment in x. F of x plus delta x will be how much? This x is replaced by x plus delta x, that will be whole square, minus f of x, that is a given function, what is that, x square, by delta x. After that, if we will break x plus delta x like a plus b whole square formula, applying the formula a plus b whole square, what is the result you will get? A square means x square plus 2x delta x, I am writing here, x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x whole square minus x square by delta x. Now this x square minus x cancel out. If I take delta x common, then this will be, no doubt, one delta x will be cancelled out. What left here? 2x plus delta x. Now if you put delta x equal to 0 here, the answer will be 2x. This is the result that you are getting. Okay. So what is the derivative of y with respect to x? The derivative of x square is how much? 2x. This is called derivative by first principle. Let us take one more question on this. Question number 2. If y is equal to e to the power x, then find dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x written as limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by how much? Delta x. So this is the formula you have to apply. And this one is called derivative by first principle. Now, limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x will be, that means e to the power x is replaced by x plus delta x minus f of x is how much? That is y is equal to e to the, means this is the function e to the power x by delta x. Next, limit delta x tends to 0, you can take common e to the power x, left e to the power delta x minus 1 by delta x. Now this e to the power x, you take it outside as it is constant related because delta x tends to 0. You have to write delta x things inside. What left here? E to the power delta x minus 1 by delta x. Now this is the e to the power x. So what is the formula for it? This is 1. I am writing the formula here. Limit x tend to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to how much? 1. This is the formula that I applied here. Limit formula e to the power x minus 1 by x and the limit x tend to 0 is equal to 1. Final answer you are getting how much? E to the power x. Therefore you can write like this: dy by dx which is equal to dy dx of e to the power x which is equal to e to the power x. You have to memorize derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. This is the answer. And this one I have done by derivative by first principle. Let us take another one. Question number 3. If y is equal to sin x, then find dy by dx. Same process. Dy by dx equal to how much? You have to apply the formula here. Limit. Some book they are writing delta x, some book they are writing h. I am writing here h. Suppose h tends to 0 is a small increment in x. And this one is f of x plus h minus f of x. You can write h or you can write delta x. That is small increment in x. And this is the formula you have to apply here. Okay. Now limit h tend to 0. F of x plus h means this x is replaced by x plus, that is sin x plus h minus sin x by h. After that you have to apply sin c minus sin d formula here. Limit h tend to 0. Sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 means 2x plus h by 2, c plus d, this is c, this is d, c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that means h by 2 by h. Okay. After that what will do here? Limit h tend to 0, make it separate here. Cos 2x plus h by 2 means this should be x plus h by 2, and here write limit h tend to 0, this is sin h by 2 by h by 2. These two are taken here, h by 2, and this sin h by 2 written here. Now if I put h equal to 0 here, what will get? This is cos x, no doubt, and this is the formula. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is 1. I am writing the formula here. Trigonometrical formula for limit. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equal to 1. Applying the formula here, I am getting answer is cos x. So what is the final answer? Therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? That is cos x. This is the formula I derived by the help of first principle. In this way, 3 questions I have completed. You are giving the definition of derivative of first principle. Let's take one more question on this. Question number 4, and today this is the last question for derivative, and this is the first video for class 11. If y is equal to a to the power x, then find dy by dx. A means any number, 2, 3, 4, whatever, a to the power x. Now dy by dx, you have to write the first formula here. Limit h tend to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x. This is the function given, means y means f of x given by h. Okay, and this is the formula for first principle. You have to memorize thoroughly. After that, you write limit h tend to 0, f of x plus h means x is replaced by x plus h. That will be a to the power x plus h minus a to the power x, because f of x given here by h. Now just you will simplify here. A to the power x, you can take common. What left? A to the power h minus 1 by h. Okay. After that, this a to the power is taken as outside of the limit, because this is treated as constant. Because your variable is here h is tend to 0. A to the power h minus 1 by h. So what is the formula for this? This formula I'm writing here, a to the power x, this is left here, and this is the formula log a base e. Okay, I'm writing the formula here, log a base e. Limit x tend to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is log a. And this is the last question for today. Okay, log a base e. The final answer is this last question, a to the power x log a base e. I am writing the answer, just wait. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of a to the power x. The answer is a to the power x log a base e. What is the derivative of a to the power x? Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a base e. In the same process, if y is equal to given 5 to the power x, then dy by dx will be how much? 5 to the power x into log 5 base a. Sorry, base e. Log 5 base e. And this is the answer. Okay, thank you for today's class. Thank you to do more sums.